Hey guys, Wednesday morning, February 15th of 23. We know we're looking for rollover with yesterday being the potential high of the 14th. We're still in that wide white window on the Vedic chart. We rolled off a little bit yesterday, but now we're bouncing around just slightly off the high. Looking at the Astro Excel chart, we're tracking pretty close this week. We're coming off this low point here. We had this rally up and then we flattened out. Then we had this little dip down. The little dip down happened a little bit previous, and we're a little bit out of sync right there, but we got the last push down just as both lines had completed their bottoming process right there. A couple hours later, the low came in, and then we got that little rally back as both of the lines had turned up. We peaked out here as the green line peaked, and now we're rolling down. And the green line had bottomed right here about 2 a.m. and now we're pushing up on both of these lines. We're in this point of the strongest bullish pressure right now until this peaks out right here about 10 o'clock. So the blue line peaks around 9, the green line peaks around 10, and then we're headed down with both of those lines as we move back down beneath the minus 10 level. And we're going to have that downside pressure all the way through the day and into the early morning Thursday, where that's going to bottom out right here around 4 a.m. So let's see if we get some downside follow through here. Just want to bring some various things together, but that is the plan for right now.